Every year at Robert Stewart Middle School, students and teachers battle it out in an epic student versus teachers basketball game. Who will win?
And the staff gets the ring.
So D&D is basically a role-playing game. This is what it's called. Role-playing game where you play a character to fulfill a task, a mission, a goal. It comes in a lot of forms and fashions. But overall playing a character with different qualities and characteristics that make you unique. It can be tricky at first. It can be a lot of numbers. It can be a lot of rules, but the fact is, Dungeons & Dragons is flexible. It depends on who's running the game and how they run the game. Personally, when I run games, I make it simple. I ignore some of the numbers, but not everyone does that. Everyone has their own process. So it can be easy, but it can also be complicated. It depends on the person. Okay, roll the d20. That's the idea.
The more that you get better at it, the more that you level up, and the more that you level up, the stronger you are, meaning that you have to face stronger monsters, and since you're facing stronger monsters, say like you downgrade to like level 5 after you're at like level 20 and you face a monster that you can only kill at level 20, you will die.
I've played for a long time. I've played since I was probably 12, so I've been playing for 20 plus years, on and off of course. Life is busy and crazy sometimes. So I've played for a long time. Not as actively in the past number of years, but I've helped run game. Sometimes played as a character, but mostly running games at most. So, but yeah, I played for a long time. I enjoy it. So, running the game is where you're the DM. You create the world, create the situation, and you kind of manage it. And you have to plan for what decisions the characters make. If you're playing the game, you make choices. Do I open this chest or I leave it alone? It might be a danger. Do I go down this path? Do I go that path? You make choices that may or may not work out for you. So ultimately, the difference is, are you making the large decisions or are you making small decisions that lead to a whole?
Making a point.